You can expect a lot from the 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear cup holders, variably intermittent wipers, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 2 speakers providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.